Welcome to Monster Kitchen Academy, where yummy food makes us healthy and strong. Let's cook, count, sing, and learn together. Apple, apple, big and red. Crunchy apples help us grow. Apple, apple, big and red. Crunchy apples help us grow.
Slice, slice, slice the apple. Mix it in the bowl. Bake, bake, bake it now. Yummy for your soul.
Carrots are orange. Carrots help your eyes. Chop, chop carrot soup. Stir it with a spoon. Healthy food for monster friends, morning, night, and noon. Healthy food for monster friends, morning, night, and noon. 1, 2, 3 bananas. Yellow. Bananas in. Milk splash. Look, yummy smoothie. Count bananas. Peel. Blend. Bananas give us energy. Drink. Broccoli helps us grow strong. Look, everyone. This is a broccoli. It is green, and it helps us grow strong. We mix the yummy cheese and broccoli. Now let's bake it in the smiling oven. Look how stretchy. 1, 2 cups. Milk makes bones strong. Time for a yummy monster milkshake. Cooking monster milkshake. Counting. Count cups. Milk makes bones strong. Wow, look at all the yummy milk. Let's learn our ABCs. Wow, look at all the strawberries. They are red. Red fruit. Let's count the strawberries. First, we mix the batter. Then we pour it in the pan. And flip the pancake. Strawberry. Strawberries are juicy and yummy. Tomatoes help keep us healthy. Spread, bake, eat. 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3. Great job! They are all red. Jump, jump, stir the soup. Spin around and scoop, 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 scoop. O is for orange. We love oranges in the Kitchen Academy. How many eggs are in the basket? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. We crack the egg, then we mix it, and now we cook. First, we add the colorful fruit to the smiling blender. And look, a delicious rainbow milkshake. Mix and stir. Stir and mix. Healthy food does magic tricks. A is for apple. 1, 2, 3 pieces of watermelon flying into the bowl. What a healthy snack! Goodbye, everyone! See you next time!